Good afternoon and welcome to this week's English for Technology lesson. Today we will be looking at manufacturing. My name is Michael. If you would like to use the textbook that we use in these lessons, you can buy it from the link in the description. It's Oxford English for Careers Technology number 1. So let's have a look at our first activity. Today we're going to look at our language spot or grammar. Okay? So to describe a manufacturing process, we should answer these two important questions about each state in the process. What happens and when does it happen? We can answer the what question using the present passive. For example, the ingredients are mixed. We can answer the when question by numbering the stages 1, 2, 3, etc. or by using sequence words first, then, next, after that, finally, or we can use time clauses. So for example, number 1, the ingredients are mixed. First, the ingredients are mixed. After the loaves are sliced, they are wrapped. Okay, let's move on. And where necessary, we should answer these questions. Where does it happen? Why does it happen? And how does it happen? We can answer the where question by adding information on the place the stage happens. For example, the ingredients are mixed in a steel mixer. We can answer the why question using the infinitive with to. For example, the ingredients are mixed in a steel mixer to make dough. We can answer the how question like this. The loaves are taken out of their tins by using suction. Okay, thank you very much for listening to today's lesson. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you would like a private lesson with me, you can contact me on Skype, Kakao Talk, or WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.